Hey everybody, this is Dr. William Clark here for Leadership Conversations. This is a show where we talk about leadership according to the world that matters to you. We're in 2019 and people are making their resolutions and they're saying a bunch of stuff. And some people who own businesses or lead businesses or provide leadership in some way, shape, or form are saying, hey, I need to do better with my business and I need to grow my business. And yeah, those are worthy goals and expectations. So I did want to share with you some thoughts around how to adjust your business. Now, the reason for adjusting your business comes at different points in times of the life cycle of a business. Perhaps you feel like your business is running its course and is not growing as fast as it used to, or it's not growing at all anymore, or you're losing ground to competitors that you feel you shouldn't be losing ground to. And I think, any one of those reasons or more are reasons why you need to consider adjusting your business. So, if you decide in 2019 that adjusting your business is something you want to work on, what should we do? What should we focus on? I have a few things I want to share with you that might be helpful to you. Number one, notice and assess those things that are not growing. Now, there are things in our business that sometimes become stale. And sometimes, as business owners, we can become very laxed in admitting that portions of our business is not accomplishing what it was intended or created to accomplish. And that can become a problem for many of us because we feel like uh, it's doing just fine. We're meeting our monthly numbers that we've been meeting for the past X number of years. Customers are still walking through the doors. We've only seen minor dips, etc. But if you believe that your business has an opportunity to grow, has an opportunity to succeed, has an opportunity to produce something special, then you got to notice or put in the effort to notice things that are not growing in your business. And even if you're losing ground in small percentages, that's a non growing element of your business. And you need to strongly consider the reasons why that thing, that department, that product, that service is not growing. There's always a reason why it's not growing. You need to notice it, you need to assess it, and you need to keep tabs on why it's not growing. And if you can't seem to figure out why it's not growing, then I recommend bringing in a consultant or outside eyes and ears to help you think through why this thing isn't growing. Number two, if you want to adjust your business, you got to pump into your business some sort of revival to jumpstart growth. Now, the revival is intended to jumpstart growth in a positive direction, obviously, but you cannot insert things into your business that are irrelevant, that do not add value, that do not complement your core service or your core product. You cannot insert things because it's trendy. Whatever you insert into your business to revive the business, to jumpstart growth again, has to be something that is relevant, that has purpose, that has meaning, that can add to the bottom line, that has great margins, if you will. Because if you don't, if you decide to insert into your business something that is the antithesis of growth, something that will cannibalize other products and services for no good reason, then you are going against the whole concept of what we're talking about, which is reviving your business, adjusting your business, growing your business. And this leads me to number three. If you're going to revive something, it might be useful to insert, if you're going to revive your business rather, and you're going to insert something into your business to revive it, it might be in your best interest to insert something, that revival element, that can develop into new revenue pathways that have growth potential. This kills two birds with one stone. Number one, you're trying to revive the business and you're trying to insert something that will help revive the business. But then number two, as you insert that thing into the business, it should be something that generates significant revenue. It should be something that adds value to existing products or services or can stand on its own as a standalone product or services. And it should have growth potential in and of itself by itself. Now, there are a number of other items we could talk about when it comes to adjusting your business. Perhaps it's your staffing, Perhaps it's your own leadership. Perhaps it's your decision making. Perhaps it's your decision tools that you use to assess business problems and progress. Perhaps it is your data systems or some other item. Whatever it is that you need to look at when it comes to adjusting your business, let 2019 be the year that you look at the right things that will help you adjust your business for growth. Now, we have been together for some time, right? We've been doing this podcast things for some time. I think it's about time for you to like us on Facebook, Instagram, TV, Twitter, and YouTube. I think it's about time you start sharing these podcasts with your friends, people on your social media timelines. And you know what? If you haven't done so yet, you should go ahead and subscribe to this podcast utilizing your favorite podcasting platform. And if you're telling me I don't have a podcasting platform, one, you should look on your smart device. But two, if you don't, go ahead and download anchor.fm and let that be your podcasting platform. You'll find me on that platform, Leadership Conversations. This is Dr. William Clark, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next show.